Hello everyone, welcome back again to page Multimedia's Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm going to continue to teach you lesson 14 and we will be learning 5 vocabulary words. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is harm. 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 Spell H-A-R-M. Harm. For example, there is no harm in asking her. There is no harm in asking her. Harm. Second word is hope. 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 Spell H-O-P-E. Hope. For example, I hope my friend get better soon. I hope my friend get better soon. Hope. Third word is future. 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 Spell F-U-T-U-R-E. Future. For example, in my future, I want to be an English teacher. In my future, I want to be an English teacher. Future. Forward is tall. 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 Spell T-A-L-L. Tall. For example, she is taller than me. She is taller than me. Tall. And the last word is short. 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 Spell S-H-O-R-T. Short. He is shorter than you. He is shorter than you. Short. So, again, please repeat after me. Harm. 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 Hope. 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 Future. 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 Tall. 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 Short. 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 Thank you so much everyone for spending time to watching my video. So please pick up all of these words to make the sentences by yourself. And then please go into my comment and I can help you to correct your sentences. If your sentences is good, I can give you some up, but it is not yet, I will help you to correct it. Be strong and please just do it. Don't think a lot about grammar. And then, if you want to learn with the full lesson with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. Thank you so much for your learning English with me today. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.